And now, WFAB-TV 2008 presents The Condiment Kids.
Wow! I'm Ready Ketchup.
And I'm Honey Mustard.
And we're the Condiment Kids. Yay! You know what, Honey Mustard?
No, what?
I've been watching those Olympics on TV from China, and I think I could compete there.
What event could you do?
I think I could run that 200-meter race. I've seen a lot of other socks run it, attached to some guy's feet.
Look, you'll have to practice.
Okay, well, watch. Here's the meter.
Okay.
So if I can run past this 200 times, that'd be just like being in the Olympic race. You watch while I run this. Here I go. Wow, I'm getting tired already. Mr. Hand, can you help me? Okay, thank you, Mr. Hand.
I guess you're not going to be in the Olympics after all.
Yes, I am. I just need to compete at something I'm already good at.
What's that? Falling and getting a boo-boo?
Now, instead of running, I'm going to compete in a sock hop.
Oh.
Yay!